If you're thinking about buying BeeFree, there are 7 important things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether BeeFree is the right choice for you or if you should be looking at other alternatives. And hey, you can try the software for free from the first link below, so make sure to check that out after the video. Now, let's dive in. First thing you should know is that BeeFree is all about creating professional email templates without needing a designer. Unlike other platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact, BeeFree offers a drag and drop editor that makes it easy for anyone to design stunning emails, even if you're not a pro. It's simple, intuitive, and doesn't require any coding skills. Next thing, BeeFree offers extensive customization options for email templates, but it's not as advanced as some of the more enterprise-focused tools out there. While you can create well-designed emails, if you're looking for more advanced features like A/B testing or automated workflows, you might want to consider something like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. However, BeeFree still offers a solid set of features for smaller to medium-sized businesses. The third thing is BeeFree's integrations. It integrates seamlessly with popular email platforms like Gmail and Outlook, making it easy to connect with the tools you already use. But keep in mind that it doesn't have as wide a range of integrations as some of the bigger players in the space, like MailChimp or ConvertKit. If you rely on a specific CRM or other tools, make sure BeeFree integrates with those before committing. Next, let's talk pricing. While BeeFree is free to use for basic features, once you move into the premium features, it's very affordable compared to competitors. You'll get access to extra features like more advanced templates, analytics, and branding options without breaking the bank. This is where BeeFree really shines. If you're a small business or individual looking for a budget-friendly email design tool, this is a great option. The fifth thing to know is about their customer support. BeeFree offers great support with live chat, email, and a well-documented knowledge base. But compared to bigger tools like MailChimp, BeeFree's customer service might not be as fast or comprehensive. However, most users report that their support team is friendly and helpful. Moving on, the sixth thing is the design flexibility. BeeFree's drag and drop interface is straightforward, but it doesn't offer the depth of design customization that more professional tools might. If you're really into design details and need absolute control over every aspect of your email's layout, you might find BeeFree a little limiting. But for the average user, it's more than sufficient to create a professional-looking email without all the complicated settings. The seventh thing you should consider is scalability. While BeeFree works great for small businesses and startups, it may not be the best option as your email needs grow. It lacks some of the advanced analytics, automation, and segmentation features that you would get with larger platforms like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. So, if you're planning on scaling your email marketing efforts significantly, you might need to upgrade to a more robust platform in the future. Now, if you want to try out BeeFree and see if it fits your needs, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out.